Hi, my name is Dennis Wambua. I'm an advocate of the High Court of Kenya, currently a partner at K. Mberia and Partners Advocates, responsible for employment and labor relations law. The question has been asked on numerous occasions: what makes the termination of employment unlawful? Recently, the ongoing discussion has been surrounding the termination of funding by the United States government over channels to international organizations such as USAID and other organizations funded by the United States government. That executive order or direction has been seen as threatening employment opportunities for millions of people across the world. Within the Kenyan context, therefore, because USAID and other organizations funded by the United States also run here in the country, the question would be, what would the employer, and this also applies generally, what would the employer do to ensure that the termination is lawful, and what should the employee take into consideration as they go through the process of termination? And the courts have looked at two requirements broadly that make the termination of employment lawful. Number one, there must be what the courts have referred to as substantive justice. Substantive justice refers to the existence of a valid and fair reason for termination. It might range from redundancy, gross misconduct, and any other reason such as performance or incapacity in terms of health of the employee. Once the employer has established that there is a reason for termination, they cannot just proceed yet to terminate the employee. The employee is, as of right and within the context of the Kenyan situation, entitled to the right to be heard and an opportunity to vent out their response to the proposed ground for termination. Each of the grounds of termination, of course, have their own specific requirements, but we will not go there today. Once that has been done and an opportunity for the employee to be heard has been availed, the employees then availed an opportunity within the specific requirements of the law, after which then the employer can proceed to terminate the employee's employment, and that employment would have been deemed above board. Thank you.